In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord onboarding. We'll start in the desktop app because the full setup isn't available on mobile yet. Open your server, click the server name in the top left, choose Server Settings, and then select Onboarding. If you don't see the option, make sure your app is updated and you have the right permissions to manage the server. Onboarding begins with default channels. These are the spaces every new member will automatically see as soon as they join. Pick essential channels like General Chat, a welcome area, and your rules or guidelines. Discord requires a minimum number of default channels that new members can read and send messages in, so double-check permissions so newcomers aren't blocked. Think of this as your front lobby. Keep it simple and helpful. A place to say hello, learn the basics, and find where to go next. If your server has a lot of sections, save the niche areas for later and prioritize orientation first. Next, create customization questions. This is where you tailor the experience. Add a question, provide answer options, and decide what each choice unlocks. You can automatically assign roles or reveal specific channels based on how someone answers, so members land in the content that fits them from day one. For example, you might ask, "What are you here for?" with options that map to interest roles or topic channels. Keep questions clear and focused, and avoid overwhelming people with too many choices. 2 to 5 options per question is a solid range. You can also choose whether a question must be answered before joining or is optional after joining. Required questions are great for must-have info, while optional questions let members customize later without friction. Use brief, descriptive labels, and consider adding a neutral choice like "just exploring," so everyone has a comfortable path forward. When your default channels and customization questions are ready, use the preview button to see exactly what new members will experience. Step through it like a first-time user. Are the instructions clear? Do the options make sense? Are the right channels and roles applied after each answer? Tweak the wording and order until it feels smooth and welcoming. When you're happy with the flow, enable onboarding so new joiners complete it as they come in. Remember, you can always come back to adjust channels, edit questions, or refine roles as your community grows and you learn what works best. That's it. With onboarding set up, new members will find their place faster, and your server will feel organized from the first click.